Good evening, Carnivore Nation. This is Dutch Masters. You've heard me on the radio. You've seen me on TV. So what? Big deal. Let's talk stock trading. The title of this video is Stock Trading, the Big Secret. I'm just going to get out with it and tell you what the big secret is. It's called scaling into winners and cutting your losers fast. That's the big secret. Still don't get it? Of course you don't, because 95% of people don't get what I'm talking about. In fact, 95% of people don't do what I'm talking about. Let's talk about what the 95% of people who trade stocks do. Let's talk about what they experience, okay? They buy a stock for $20. It goes to 19 and a half. They freak out, but they stay with it, okay? Because, gosh, it's going to come back. It's going to come back. And their little $400 loss turns into a $4,000 loss and turns into a $5,000 loss. And all of a sudden, they bought $10,000 worth of stock. And instead of losing $350, they're losing $3,500. Okay, this is what most people do. So when they get a winner, they buy the stock at 20, it goes to 20 and a half, it goes to 21, and they don't do anything. They don't buy any more of it. They're just so happy, like a teenage girl on her first date, okay, that they just sell it at 21, okay? They just bought $10,000 worth of a $20 stock. It's 500 shares, and it went up a point, so they just made $500. Whoopee! I made $500. Yeah, but the problem is that you're making $500 on your winners, and you're losing $3,000 on your losers because you won't cut them when they start to go down. That's what 95% of people do out there, and that's why 95% of the people who trade the stock market lose money, especially retail investors, okay? So when the light bulb goes off and you understand the concept of adding to your winners as they're going up and cutting your loser quickly when it goes down, your life is going to change. When that light bulb goes off, you're going to change the way you trade. You're going to change your life. So what do the 5% do? They buy more when the stock goes up, okay? They cut their losers quickly. Now, let me kind of tell you what happens in this environment. You can actually lose 7 or 8 out of 10 trades and still make money if you do this the way we do it. And this is exactly the way we do it. Let's say you buy 10 stocks. 7 of them go down a little bit, 3.5%, and you go ahead and you sell them, okay? I'm going to get my cheat sheet here. You lost about $2,450 on those 7 stocks. Now, let's say you bought another one. You have one that you bought out of those initial 10 that starts to go up. You bought it at 20. Now it's at 20 and a quarter. You bought 500 shares. Now it's at 20 and a quarter. You bought another 250. Now it's at 20 and a half. You buy 250 more. Now it's at 20 and 3/4. You bought 250 more. Now you've more than doubled your position already, okay? Don't freak out. It's going the right way. It deserves your capital. It is earning your money. Do you understand? The stocks that go down and you buy more of the stock that goes down, has that stock earned any of your money? No, it's punishing you. What do you like, punishment? Give your money to the stocks that are earning the money. Punish the stocks by selling them that are not earning you money. Take the money from the losers and pour it into the winner. Now I got 7 losers here. That's $70,000 that I can use to buy into that one winning stock, okay, out of 10. Let's say the other 2 are just not going anywhere. They're just sitting there. So you just kind of hold on to them. But I got 70,000 in capital that I can use to go after that one that is moving the right way. It went from 20. Now it's at 20 and a quarter, 20 and a half, 20 and 3/4, 21. Now it's at 21 and a quarter, 21 and a half, 22. I'm buying 250 shares every time. Boom, boom, boom. All right. The stock gets to 24. I've got, say, 2,250 shares now. I sell it at 24. I've just made $7,250 on that trade. I had poured $46,750 into that one stock out of my initial capital of $100,000. I sell it at 24 and I bank $54,000. Now, who cares about percentages? Percentages don't matter. Stop talking about percentages to yourself or to anybody else. The only thing that matters is dollars, okay? Dollars is the only thing that matters. How much money did I make on my winner versus how much money did I lose on all my losers? Losing money is good. You're out there probing the market, trying to find that winner. It means you're being active. If you don't cut fast, of course, losing is bad. But if you cut quickly, you're going to find that winner. And that's what we do at Carnivore is we find the winners and then we cut the losers and then we drive hard and get greedy on the one that we're right on, okay? Because we want to make $7,000 or $8,000 on that trade and we want to lose $2,000 or $3,000 on the losing trades, whatever they may be. Imagine if you did that every week, which is exactly what we do. We work hard. 10 stocks a week is not out of the ordinary for us. So if we're buying 10 stocks a week and we have 6 or 7 losers and we have 1 or 2 winners, that's how you get, when you do the math, to 100% gain over the course of a year. I know I told you not to talk about percentages, but let's be real. What you're looking at is if you did that for 50 weeks of the year, that same exact example I just gave you, you'd have a net gain, a net value of $210,000 on your account that you started with $100,000 with. That is how you make 100% a year. Now imagine that's with 1 winner out of 10. Imagine if you had 2 or 3. Imagine if we're in a bull market and you're getting 3 or 4 or 5 winners in a week out of 10. That's how you bank 200%, 300%. Imagine if you're an options trader and you're playing it that way. Now your percentages go up even more. Now, we don't talk about options, but we have a lot of options traders who love the stocks that we pick. And they are streaming onto the Carnivore platform, and we welcome you here. We love you. You're great. We love how smart and fast you are, and it's fantastic. Now, this is not day trading, and we're not talking about penny stocks, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about billion-dollar-plus market cap, high-quality stocks, growth stocks, stocks that our systems, multiple systems, firing all at the same time, finding the best stocks for you. That's the kind of stocks we're looking for. We look for the right industries. We look for the market tone first. Then we look for the right sectors that are going to go up. Then we look for the stocks in that sector, and we pick those stocks up for you. 1, 2, or 3 a day. That's where we're going. 10 a week. I'm telling you, get your head straight about running your money into the winners. Pay the stocks that are earning your capital. Punish the stocks that aren't by selling them, and use that capital to pour into the one that's winning or the 2 that's winning or the 3 that win for you every week. Your life is going to change. We're happy you're here. We want you to eat steak with us every night. Carnivore Trading, we're setting the world on fire. We're changing the way people trade. We welcome you here.